One perfect AI image is easy. 10 that look identical? Impossible. Until now, I'm showing you the exact system to create unlimited consistent images in under 30 minutes. Let's go.
Here's what happens without a system. Image 1, perfect minimalist blue and green style. Image 2, different blue, wrong composition. Image 3, completely off. By image 10, it's chaos. Your brain can't remember 20 style parameters. DALL-E has no memory. Result? Wasted hours and inconsistent garbage.
The solution? The master template method. Use GPT-4o to extract your image's DNA and turn it into a reusable blueprint. One template, infinite consistent images. Here's the 4-step system. Step 1. Create your hero image using the 5-element formula from my first video. Style, subject, lighting, mood, technical specs. Generate it in DALL-E. This becomes your foundation. Everything copies this. Step 2. Extract the DNA. Give your prompt to GPT-4o with this instruction. Create a master style template. Extract every style parameter with exact hex codes, composition rules, lighting specs, mood descriptors. GPT-4o returns a structured template, not just blue, navy blue, #1A, 1A, 2E. Not just minimalist, geometric shapes, flat colors, no gradients, specific composition. This becomes your style Bible.
Step 3. Generate the series. Tell GPT-4o, using the master template, create a DALL-E prompt for this subject, person reading a book. GPT-4o outputs a complete prompt with every parameter matched. Navy blue, #1A, 1A, 2E. Emerald green, #00D9A3. Flat lighting, centered composition, everything exact. Copy into DALL-E. Perfect match. Repeat for images 3, 4, 5 through 10. Every one identical in style. Step 4. Scale infinitely. Need 20 more images? Same template, different subjects. One client wants 50 product shots. Same template, new products. The template never expires. Save multiple templates for different use cases. Social media template, blog header template, presentation template. Build a library. Update versions as your style evolves. Template version 2, version 3. Your creative system compounds.
I created 12 images for a client campaign. Every single one, identical colors, identical composition, identical mood. Grid ready, professional. Total time, 30 minutes. Without this system, 4 hours of manual tweaking and they'd still look inconsistent. The template saved me 3.5 hours and delivered superior results. Now you have the system. One template, infinite consistent images. If you haven't watched my first video on the 5-element prompt formula, watch it next. That's the foundation. Comment below, what series will you create? Instagram carousel, brand guidelines, course visuals? Next video, adapting your unified style for different platforms without losing consistency. Hit subscribe, start building. See you next time.